Yo, yo, yo. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to New York session, everybody. Let's get ready for this top-down analysis here. Let's make sure everything is going good. Yep, everything is well. All right. Let's start off with the daily. Daily is bullish like crazy. Look at that. Wow. Boom, all the way up here. We're starting to pull back a little bit on this daily candle. We take a look at this 4 hour and we can see we're halfway through it and we are kind of, like I would say, struggling to move here. Like we broke highs and now we're coming down to create this lower bottom wick. If we do end up closing bearish, it is a nice sign, but not a sign just yet for us to come down. It could potentially make us come down, but not guaranteed, right? So be careful with that. 4 hour has 2 hours to go. We can still easily come up and break these highs and continue pushing up. So keep an eye out for that. 1 hour, we're tapping into support right here, right? We have support right here. This 1 hour is coming down, tapping into support, and we might eventually break below. We have 8 minutes left on this 1 hour, and we might get this closure below, and then we have clean range to come down here, correct? Now here's the thing though. Even though we have clean range coming down here, will gold fill this whole range? Maybe, maybe not. Since we're so bullish, it's kind of a 50-50. You're not gonna take these sales just immediately after one breakout to the downside, right? Let's take a look at the 30-minute here. How do we look? We have a support a little bit further down that we're gonna be looking at here. And this is probably the strongest support that we're near, right? So tapping into this area. Even a closure below here, I would not take it right now. I would either wait for range 2 to take sales. So we come down, close below, come back up, and then close below again. That's the only way I'll take that. If not here today, I will be waiting for a move down, create support, and then take those buys coming back up. That's what I'm going to be looking for eventually. Like this zone right here is a very key zone that I'm gonna be paying out for. If we do end up pulling back and creating support, those buys will be very nice. If not, maybe range 2 sales would also be very good here for today. 15-minute, we have been chopping ever since London session on this 15-minute chop. Go crazy. Look at that. Boom. Choppy range is on the 15. So nothing as of right now on the 15 as well. 15 does have clean ranges below this support here, which is also this little 30-minute support. But I think if we just look at the 30-minute time frame here, base it off that closure below here, this area, if you do end up like this, if we do end up getting a range to sell, this area could be a nice break-even point or partial point, and then this would be a full TP area, correct? So all of that is nice, and let's see what Alex has to say, and let's join up in the Zoom. Or let's see here. Did he send me? There you go.
Yeah, very valuable moments. These moments, like
Yo.
it's our basically job. So meeting other people that do the same job and treat it like they do professionally, it's amazing. Welcome in, Ed.
Welcome Alex.
How are you?
Doing good. What do you think about gold here today?
I think that we are chopping, but I would like some buys above the all-time high resistance at 39.67.
Okay.
This range for me is becoming an outright range. We have top targets. I can't take any sales. This sales would play out though. For me, I would be out one-on-one played very nicely. I would catch a W here, but I know in the long run, it's a break-even probability trade, so I don't want to participate even if it's a W or a loss. There is more stress than actual point to take such trades. And you see, the top targets again were rejected heavily, so you never know when you have top targets. You're gonna reject from here. You never know where you're gonna reject from, so you don't know if you're gonna tap your take profit or you're gonna reject from the halfway there, and just
Yeah.
move up. Also, all other time frames are bullish. So sells are risky. So take sells wisely and with a perfectly correct confirmations. Don't just risk it on a reverse bias move. Also, it's a Monday,
It
first day of the
is
week. So
the start of a
better.
beautiful week, man. And
Exactly.
I agree. Like the sales right here today are kind of risky. Like if I'm taking any sales from my setup here, I'm looking for range 2. I'm not taking any sales just yet. I will have to see a strong bearish bias coming down with a range 2.
Yeah.
But my main goal here for today and what I'm pretty much looking for is a buy off support. So an onion play here today. So either we come down to this support area here and create something, or we come down to this major support area and create support to have clean ranges. And that's all I'm going to be looking for.
For me, sales are looking better below 39.45 because we have some clean range.
Yeah,
now though, things are gonna
right
change.
there.
Yeah, things are gonna change though because I'm gonna have 4 new ranges probably inside this massive range. But let's see, Malaga. Let's see. Like for me, buys look cleaner than sells.
Yeah, definitely.
You see that heavy rejection? Like look at this 30-minute candle. You know, it's exactly what I said.
Mm-hmm.
But in that scenario, it would tap my take profit. But I know most of the times it's gonna come close to my take profit and then reject. So I know most of the time it's a loss. But this time it played out. But again, even if it played out, we reject heavily from the targets that we already tapped. You see, like we almost flipped bullish. Again, yeah, we flipped bullish now. So it's sketchy, the sales for me. It's sketchy. You know, it's
Yeah, and that 39.45 point, I like that point as for me as a manageable area. So like if we close below 39.52 or 39.53, whichever, and we do a range 2 closure below there, so we break down, we close out, we come back up and then close back below again, then that would be a sell confirmation for me. And if we close decently at the top of the range, I would take those sells to have that as my break-even point. If we close near that area, I would wait for a closure below that, because it's definitely a place to keep an eye out for, right? So it's like either it's gonna be a manageable area or it's gonna be an area you want to see a closure below.
yeah, I agree. And also 39.45 is much okay. So let's see how price wants to evolve in this New York session.
Yeah, and let's hope we can get some volume in here as well.
Temis took a break-even trade at 30-minute onion in London. What time, bro? I'm gonna go check it.
What happened? Someone took a break-even trade?
In London, yeah, in London. He took an onion in London.
And which time frame? 30 minute?
He's got that, now.
Okay.
I don't know. Probably 30 minutes. 10 o'clock in the morning. 10 o'clock my time, 9 o'clock your time. He took, yeah, I see this support. Then he closed slightly bearish. He went, he tapped break-even probably on this bearish move, and then we saw the massive pump after.
Yeah.
Yeah, volume was a bit slow for London Open today. Like we saw volume at 10:30, half an hour, like after London Open. So
it was a very nice trade, especially when you look at the 1 hour as well, aligning with that 30-minute closure. Huge rejection wick on that 1 hour.
yeah. So now
Looks very clean to come up at least to fill that resistance. So W on the break even though, because depending on where your stops were, you could have been stopped out there, right? So
he would have been stopped out if he had carry stops for sure.
yeah, for sure would have been stopped out. So if I would have been in that trade there, I would have had current stops and most likely been stopped out of that one. So good job managing your trade there and going break even. But yeah, like that's just a part of the probabilities in this case. Like this looks pretty nice. I don't see any reason for us to come down, and we did eventually go in that direction. We just had that little move coming down first before coming all the way up.
Yeah, that like a bit of indecisive London opening, I would say. Like price made what it's supposed to do, like after half an hour.
Yeah.
You know, it was like a kind of an indecisive opening. Like went up, went down, and closed dodgy, and then the next candle did the job.
Let's see here. We got some volume though in this 1 hour closure candle right here. Holy, look at that.
Let's see. Yeah, it's
Already moved
NY open
25 pips.
exactly right now. It's NY open now.
Yeah.
So let's see. If we get a breakout on the upside with this candle, I like the buys. If we continue staying in this range, just waiting for the next best setup. Nothing we can do on this range. Like for me, it's not trading range. Let me type that down also.
And we got no news today, which is nice. The U.S. government is still shut down.
I think we had news, but they canceled, right?
Probably, yeah. I don't know. Either or, like there's no news today at least. But yeah, man, this government shutdown is really a crazy experience for me at least. Like I've never heard about it because I wasn't really into trading back in 2018. But this is my first time experiencing government shutdown with the markets and all of that. So it's exciting times to be in.
Yeah, we're living history, man. Let's see.
Yep, we really are.
Let's see what's gonna happen in the world. It's weird times. Russia as well is weird, like with Russia and Europe right now, the situation. Like, let's see. PM Magnifico is in. Welcome
PM
in, brother.
the
Welcome
building.
in.
Welcome. Welcome
PM
to the
chilling
stream.
today, trading. We have no work today, right? And Janos is in as well.
Hey Janosch, welcome to the stream.
Welcome in, bro. Welcome in.
Let's see here. I also requested a credit card from my bank to where I have 2 separate credit cards to make it easier for me to manage the funds.
Make it easier for me to buy more things.
But Malaka it's like I requested it, but it doesn't show any card in the process of being made. I don't know if I requested it properly.
What a message, Malaka, we got in the chat. What a message.
What a message.
2 good wins for today. 2 good wins for today. I think I will just observe the odd wise session today. Maybe very clear range, but I'll be the third trade. Malaka W with PM. Just respect, bro. Like,
let's go. We win.
You're
it
following
here,
your
man.
playbook to the exact, Malaka. You are winning every day. You see, like, this guy is not even doesn't even need to trade and white. He's already done, Malaka. He can already go and just enjoy his day.
PM, he did all the work in the morning, and now he can relax for the rest of the day. Now he's just chilling.
So this is the magical thing with trading, and when you follow your plan and you have the wins, for example, PM now he got 2 wins, you don't even need to stress about, taking a 3rd or a 4th or like a 5th trade. You don't even care because like it's got job done. You're following your playbook. And this happens because of the playbook. If you didn't have a playbook, you would still look for a trade and you would still like try to make money. But you understand the game, how it works, and this is the way to do it. Like that's why a casino or the market is open 24/7, because they know that as more time as the market is open or the casino is open, the more money is gonna be played inside by people. So the skill of you calling it a day, that's a skill, and it's a very hard-earned skill. Like it needs time to build, and it might sound very easy to just closing the charts. Yeah, it's nothing hard, but mentally it's very hard.
Yeah, and he posted it in the Discord too, the trade. Say close full here. Let's take a look at the trade here. Seems like it was on the 15-minute time frame, I believe. That trade was taken. I'm trying to see here. Came down, up, and down.
Battle charts. Also, Fem is possible to trade in battle charts. Not said here. Yeah, she's looking for the owner as well. Yeah, I see your trade PM. But this is a 15-minute time frame, right?
Oh, it's on a 5-minute time frame. That's why I couldn't find it. Malak. Here we go. I see the trade now. It's right here. It's 15 minute. Boom. Look at that pumper. Yeah, near this support area. We came down here, tapped a lot. We took that buy to the top of that range. Secured the bag right there, and now you're done. Nice trade, PM.
Secured the bag.
Secured the shmoney.
Yeah, no how's trading going, bro? We haven't talked for long. You still have the accounts, good payouts, like how's it going for you?
And then the entry point, PM. How did you how did you do the entry there? If you can explain that to me. Because it seems like your entry point is like this. If I put it on the
Nice, yeah, man. It's 250k funded, so you have like you buy 50k, like me, or you buy 100.
It's kind of like this, right?
I'm 250 right now as well. Let's go, man. Like another payout or so. Man, like a tribe is hitting. Let's go, bro. Let's go. 3 accounts. That's fire. Man, like everyone is hitting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you remember this time, but like last year that we
were playing
were
Call of Duty.
struggling to get it. Playing Call of Duty and struggling to get it. Man.
It's almost a year ago. It's like almost exactly a year ago. It was like in November.
A year after, you go to the same people and you ask, "Oh, how's trading going?" Yeah, okay, I'm taking payouts, I'm buying accounts. You know, this is evolution right now. Yeah, made this from the bottom. Made it from the bottom, and now we are not even halfway through. So imagine the sky. Imagine the top.
Okay, I see PM. So it's kind of like a fade kind of thing. You waited for it to come down and then flip, and then you were in there. Okay, nice trade.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna grow together, man. Like I imagine us in 3 years.
Oh yeah, you know, I got a payout. I still got a payout over the weekend here. 1K payout.
Malaga. Comparing to what we are gonna make in the future, 1,000 is a penny.
It's a penny now, but that penny is gonna make me.
It's a lot of money now, but it's gonna be a penny in the future.
It's the stepping stone. It's the stepping stone.
Exactly. It's a pathway to make more. It's your getaway drug, Malaga. 1,000 is gonna bring you to 10,000.
Yeah, nice full closure here too. Like, look at that. Right at that resistance, no top wick, clear indicator. I don't want to be in here no more. And then boom, sniper exit as well.
Yeah, I'm also saying like, let's go eggshell. Eggshell. Like I'm gonna put that on
the eggshell smoothie, undefeated.
I'm gonna put it on the knife book, and when we press exclamation mark egg, your face is gonna come up.
Oh yeah, I still need to add Nightbot to my stream. Let's see. I think I can do that now, maybe.
Exactly, Janos. That's the spark lighting that fire. We're just getting started. We're just getting started. The fire has just started. We need to put more wood in the fire now. Make it larger.
Let's see. Also, in 3 days, I can change my name.
Who's gonna carry the boats, Malachi? Who's gonna carry the logs and the wood for the fire to increase? No, you need to bring it 5K buyout now.
Only, I like a 20K.
Sooner or later, bro. Sooner or later.
Alex, where in the YouTube studio do you add Nightbot?
In YouTube studio, yeah, it is Yeah, why?
Where do you do it? Where do you put it in?
It's automatic. You do it through Mac, but you don't do it through the studio.
Oh, you need to
It's like
download
Discord.
it separately?
You need. No, you just need to link the account, the YouTube account. Just go in the night mode and sign in with your YouTube
Okay,
account,
got it.
and then it's automatic.
Nightbot is coming to the chat.
The same thing with the Discord, but don't sign in with the Discord because we're gonna have to manage this. You're
No,
gonna be
I'm just
confused.
doing the YouTube. There we go. I think I should. Do I press join channel? There we go. Nightbot online.
You can.
Oh, you can even do giveaways with Nightbot.
Yeah, you can do it.
Oh, that's lit.
You wanna give away an account and your payout?
I'm gonna give it away to myself. I'm the lucky, the lucky winner.
We're gonna make you a winner, man.
I'm gonna rig it.
Guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video and a sub to the channel. If you haven't liked the video, we really appreciate the like. It really helps with the algo, with the YouTube stuff. So more traders are gonna find us.
Oh, you can even add music through Nightbot.
Yeah, you can do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, PM. The playbook is what we gotta follow, man. The proof is in the pudding.
Make a plan and trade the plan.
But man, what a chop on the 30 here as well, man. Look at that. And the 15-minute even worse chop right now.
Yeah, 30 is like gone, bro. It's like
You just gotta wait.
30 is telling us like, you guys are willing to wait or not.
The patient man wins.
What's the weather in Denmark?
Let me take a look on the weather app. 15 degrees, but feels like 11.
15.
15 and feels like 11.
Here's 24. Yeah.
I think where PM is, it's even colder because he's up north.
Here's 24, it feels like 23, but it's raining. It's very moody today.
Ah, okay. You guys have it warmer there right now. Lucky man.
No, PM says it's sunny there.
Yeah, over here it's kind of cloudy. I think it's cloudy and windy over here, but it's also 15, but it feels colder.
PM is chilling at the beach like right now, enjoying the cold in Copenhagen.
PM is on the beach with the computer, chilling, sunbathing
Chilling.
in 15-degree weather right now.
What do you mean? He doesn't even have the computer, but like I said, took 2 weeks, he's only with the phone outside.
He uses the ocean as his charts.
You see this wave? This wave usually takes to the next wave.
This wave means buy gold.
Yeah, retesting. This wave is retesting. If it breaks the lows, the next thing is gonna be a nice wave. Thank you for the likes also, guys. We got from 4 likes to 7 likes. Doubling it. rockets in the
Yo,
chat.
Yanosh in the chat. Let's go. In the building.
Aaron is in Greece.
No way. You should meet up with him.
I don't have him. I don't even know him. I haven't even talked to him.
Ah.
Let me check his stories. He's in Greece. He's in Greece. He's drinking Muzo.
Which, on an island or in the main island?
He's in Crete.
Ah, okay.
He probably went to George.
Yeah, George lived there, right?
Yeah, so they might from the clubhouse they might arrange it or something. Because I see he's in the same place, Chania, which is in Crete. It's like where George lives.
Chania.
Chania. Yeah, this boy got his 22k Malaka and he's living life in Greece. That's the life.
Oh, you got a 22k payout.
Aaron, yeah.
Nice. That's how to do it, man. Take that payout, go on a trip, write it off as a business expense. You feel me?
Yeah,
that's what I'm gonna do, Malaka.
Basically, he has like 5 top step accounts. I don't remember the size, either 100 or 150. I think 150.
Like, I'm gonna pull up to Greece with a 20k payout. We're gonna go eat at that village. All of it, I'm gonna write it off as a business expense.
All of it, Malak. You write my cost off as well.
Yeah, I'll pay for the whole meal. Don't worry. It'll be my treat.
We're gonna steal the governments. Eating food in Greece. But Aaron's doing it a bit clever. I heard from someone that he talked with him. He's trading like half of the accounts in London and the other accounts in New York. So he has accounts for each session. So he got this payout with 5 accounts all together combined. I don't know, Janos might know more.
PM, you're gonna go to the bakery. What is Islaris? I don't know that. Maybe I'll know it if I see how it looks. Let me try and spell that. Danish like Lauke Husel, for example. They have some very good stuff. Islaris.
Eclair is Danish, we have it here as well.
Ah, that. I've never tried these, to be honest. I've never tried these in my life.
Really?
Never in my life.
We have it here also.
It looks delicious though. It's like filling with chocolate on top.
It is. It is addictive, bro. Like, you can eat the whole box.
I never tried it before.
I thought this was a French recipe, not a Danish one.
Yeah, PM. Lauke Husel, fire. They also got some really good sandwiches too. Like, I like their sandwiches and their skyr, all of that. Very nice. But PM, I don't know if they have it where you live, but Buka, you have to try that place out. Buka is crazy. Let me put it up right quick. Like, Buka is probably the most, like, if you're a tourist, this is the place you want to try. Like this bakery right here. Buka. Let me try and show you what they got. Like, look at this. They have croissant with, like, filling. Like, they have pistachio filling, strawberry. Like, really good sweets. And this is their cardamom ball. And stuff like that. Buka is a very good bakery you should try. So, Alex, if you come here, you better try Buka. Yeah, let me write it in the chat. Let me put it in the chat for you, PM.
We have a lot of bakeries.
Yeah, Denmark is very much known for its baking. Like, we do a lot of bread and cakes and all of that. Like pastries, stuff like that is what Denmark is known for. We have a lot of stuff like that.
There's some volume in the market, guys. I want to look at the charts also. This third is bleeding right now. It's like moving.
Oh yeah, look at that.
You see the movement?
Look at that. And it might look like it's not moving that much, but this candle right here is 85 pips, which is crazy, right?
Yeah, the ranges are massive.
The ranges are massive. Even though we're ranging, it's massive a range. Look at that.
Yeah, but we need volume to cover up 85 pips in a candle, you know, like.
Yeah, we definitely need like more volume than usual.
Exactly.
So that's the whole thing, right?
So we need even more volume now to break out.
Yeah, for sure. Like if we break out, you know, like that's like that, like to that area right there is 70 pips, which is not that bad.
Look at this thing. This thing is bleeding, bro. Like this thing is bleeding. Like if it breaks low now.
But like if we take a sell to this support right here, that's
look at that.
260 pips. Crazy.
It prints. But like a 260 pips is nothing, bro. I'm taking that every day.
Okay, PM. When you come to Copenhagen, you better try out the Buka, bro. It's some good stuff they have there. I think you will like it.
I don't think there is a single person in this world that doesn't like baked stuff.
Maybe.
I don't know. Like I know mom.
Yeah, I
Give me a good savory like thing from the bakery. I can have it over anything. Like.
Bet PM. Let me know and we'll do a little meetup. We'll go to Buka. We should. Do you have a fitness membership to anywhere? Any fitness center? Because I have Fitness X. I don't know if you have that in where you live.
Be careful, Malaka. PM, this guy's gonna destroy you. You're gonna go back to your home. You cannot even walk. Be cautious.
We gotta go for a little gym session.
Yeah, when you like have so much volume in the market that you can see the weak fill very easily. Yeah, I agree. If you leave a week though, because this thing could easily bleed more. Bleeder though, bleeder. Bleeder is the market. At least we have some volume though. Like London was very slow.
Yeah, London was a pretty slow day.
Like after this hat pick we had last week with the free trades.
This day you can't expect that every day, right?
Every day, bro. Every hour, bro. What do you mean?
Malaki, remember my hat trick?
To the negative side.
Almost. We were almost there.
But no, you didn't have 3 losses. You had 3 losses in the window, right?
3 losses and a break even.
Okay, 3 losses.
So we were close. We were close for that.
This is how we do it, Malaka. We don't care about positive or negative PNL. We get about hat tricks. So if you get a 1 loss, you need 2 more on the hat trick, right?
Yeah, you just gotta. No matter if it's a win or a loss, you just need the hat trick. 3 wins in a row or 3 losses in a row. Part of the plan.
Yeah, but these days are gonna come. Like I had days with 7 trades in a row, like on July. You remember? Like these days are gonna happen again. Well, like what a day! 7 trades in a day, man. Like, I remember that day. I'll never forget that day.
Oh yeah, I remember also when you started trading the 1 minute time frame, Alex. You remember that?
No, I forgot about this time. You remember, I was waiting for a 30-minute tap at the zone, and then I entered with a 1 minute bullish. I just did 1 minute bullish closure. I didn't wait for anything. I got taught my lesson the very hard way. Like.
Oh, Malaka, I remember you were being a trade like every like.
And you remember I was profitable at some point. You remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
And then my worst day with this strategy is that in winter I go snowboarding, right? So I took the car with my friend and I went snowboarding. And on the way back, I still remember that day. Malaka, we returned back from the mountain to my house, about 4 hour drive. And I was not driving because I wanted to trade. And Malaka, on this car trip, 4 hour drive, I took 35 trades. And I was like, what am I doing? And I lost all the small profit I've made all this time, and I was like, bro, this is stupid. Like I was over trading. Every 1 minute thing I saw, I was taking it.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy day.
I remember that. I was like, Alex, what has happened to you?
Yeah, and then I woke up the next day and I was like, 1 minute it's not working. I'm gonna just change it back to the 30. Strategy hopping at its best.
But I don't see it as a bad thing. I think it's good that you went through that, because then you learned. You know what I mean? Like, because for example, if you were to just find one strategy and never trade, there will always be that thought in your mind. It's like, what if I tried this strategy and it would be
No. I'm very proud of myself because I'm very proud of that. And this is a skill I've earned. I've came up with my own strategy. That's for me. That's the best thing that happened to my trading career. I have my own strategy.
Yeah.
Right. I know that you guys like a niche trading strategy. I like it too. But for you to come up with your own strategy, for me, it was like I was praying for this day from day one, and it happened to me this year. So I see no way back now. I see only a way forward to follow the strategy and add some more stuff back in. I want to add the onion back to the strategy now.
Yeah, see, that's the good part. Like,
if I take something from Nick, it's gonna be the onion.
Yeah, you have these different parts that you take and you create your own.
Yeah, because now I'm trading completely different than Nick. Nick might look for a sell, I might look for a buy. Like, we trade completely differently.
And your entries are different too. Like, he might get activated
everything.
when you might not. You might hit TP when he gets entered or something like that.
Exactly. But that's the magical thing, man. What's like it's my only this 1 year is profitable for me from the 4 years I've traded.
And I already have 3 accounts.
I have 4 accounts, 4 accounts in payouts. So imagine the future,
Exactly.
What's coming. You see Nick Malaka that he learned the strategy. He's almost passing accounts and he's trading only for 2 months.
Yeah.
He's not even experienced on the charts. He's taking wins.
Because your strategy is very good for new people,
Very simple.
Very simple strategy. Basic. Nothing, crazy that you need to know. And it's a very good entry to people who are starting out trading. They only need to look at one setup and one setup only, and that's it.
Yeah, it's basically what PM says in the chat. Trading style is a very personal game, and I totally agree with that. Like, you need to, basically how I see it. I don't know if I see it correct or wrong, but the way I see it is like, in the first time that you're gonna spend trading, you're gonna lose money or not. I don't care about that. I care about you. You don't know yourself. You don't know your personality within the charts. So this is gonna take some time for you to learn yourself. So when you learn yourself and you understand, like, I'm more risk averse, I like more 1-to-1s, I like more 1-to-5, I like high win rate, I don't like a high win rate, I like higher R, all this kind of stuff. And then you can understand like how to polish your strategy in order to suit you. And for me, I'm a very simple guy. Like, stupidly simple. I want things to be very simple, like. So that's why I did it like that. Yeah, Ivan, that's a blessing, Marika. That's a blessing. Thank you for typing that. Like the way that you guys say that, the way you guys explain, I have stumbled on it. Yeah, I've learned, like, this is why, this is our purpose, me and Ed's purpose. This is basically why we do. We trade differently, but we vibe with each other and we are friends. We know that some viewers are gonna be like, oh, Ed strategy is better for me. Oh, Alex strategy is better for me. So you have basically 2 guys trading exactly similar but completely different also, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
And watching their journey,
And we're just documenting, you know what I mean? Like, we're documenting the proof.
And watching this journey, you can find yourself better because you might feel better with Ed, you might feel better with me trading wise. So you can go and learn each one strategy, see what you like or see what you don't like. Or like, let's say I like Ed, but his strategy I disagree with that, but I agree with that. So basically, this is what you do: you take something from one, take that one, something from the other, you just make your own. And this is how we evolve as a community, right? Because everyone helps each other basically grow. Because I took a lot of stuff from Ed, like he might be much younger, but much wiser in some things. So, it's not about the age and everything. It's all about what you know in
Experience.
life. So like Ed is more experienced in something, so he gave me value. I might be more experienced in something. I might give him value in something. And this is like how a friendship grows, and this is how our community is gonna grow because we're gonna become a massive family of traders.
Exactly. We provide value to each other, you know what I mean? We take the good sides of one another and grow together.
Yeah, exactly. W for Ivan, W for respect. And you're staying here consistently, like for a couple of months, or like a year, see like everything we do, see like how we analyze the markets. Like in a year, you're not gonna recognize yourself in the market. Like you're be unrecognizable because you are gonna have an understanding as well for the market. You might use some things I say or Ed say, and build your own strategy. And in 1 year, bro, you're gonna be unstoppable.
Yeah, so what I'm thinking here is if we either get this support, formed, wouldn't be a bad area either, this area right here, to get a support to take advantage of this top of the range as well. If we get that in 30 minutes. If not, range 2 sells. This area right here, I've marked it like this because I'm looking at it more as an advantage point than anything else for the trade if I do get into one.
PM, yes, this trading range can become, this small trading range can become a trading range with this 15 support. I'm not looking at the 15, so let's see. Yep, for you guys, yep. For me, like this, in order to become a trading range, for me, I need a double trouble. I need like
A
some kind of
resistance
range
and then a
now
closure
and
above.
a range 2. Exactly, yeah. So I need a range 2 buy basically for me to take this. But I understand that I might miss the opportunity to take it because the 15 might play out and I might miss the move. The move might play without me. So I'm okay with that. But I'm waiting for the 30 only.
I have to check something real quick, chat. We're gonna go and look at it together. We're gonna go to ChatGPT here. So, I wanna see.
Ed, keep the stream. I'm coming in 2 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna check here because I requested a card from a place called Danske Bank. And I wanna see if I did it properly. Because there's not showing anything. Let's see.
I'm back. Let's see what Ivan said. Yes, sir. Slowly but surely, you guys gonna definitely grow, and I'm pretty sure if you guys gonna keep more contact up and make more contacts. Yeah, bro. Let's see what future has for us.
I
agree with this
ask
TikTok
them.
and stuff. Like Ed's gonna start TikTok. I'm not fully into TikTok, but I might start it if you see that. I'm more into Instagram. I like personal brand more. I like using Instagram, but TikTok, like the growth you can see from TikTok is massive also. I don't like TikTok for one only reason, because the community is so new and so young people that TikTok might give you like the wrong audience, and this is what I'm afraid only. Otherwise, PM is getting ready for the third one. Yeah, bro. Like after grabbing liquidity and coming back up. Are you gonna have buy stops from this 15? Let's see the 15. Ah, you're waiting for the support on the 15 after breaking the low, guys.
Yep. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute right here. 15
Yeah, this
minute.
if this
Personally,
30, bro, like if this 30 break lows and comes back up and close support, like it's
yeah, it's
looking
gonna
like
be
a
clean. If this 15-minute closes support, I'm gonna just stay out because I've never had a good experience with 8:45. Like I don't take a trade during that time. 8:45 is like a curse for me, so I would wait for the 30-minute here.
it's the trading like this 15-minute candle that you've said in the past. It's mostly a loser.
Like 8:45, so 3:45 your time, 2:45 my time. It's like any setup there usually does not go good for me. So I prefer staying out of those trades. So if this 15-minute candle, for example, closes bullish here, I would prefer just to wait for the 30-minute to give me the confirmation of that bullish candle closure. 15-minute fake out, 30-minute support at this level. Yeah, PM. Yeah, exactly. That would be beautiful. This 15-minute closing below, next one coming back closing above, and then the 30-minute giving us a support. Yeah, that would be a beautiful setup right there. And it will be a
Well,
9.
yeah, it looks good the way you guys say 15-minute breaking lows, the next 15-minute closing support, the third closing support. It looks beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I might feel some JOMO with this trade. Yeah, because I'm looking at this trade right now, so like next year I might add it to play.
Yeah, like get some joy from seeing it play out, and then the more you see it play out, eventually you'll add it.
That's the beauty of trading, we can make a story in our head, like, yeah, bro. No, we're expecting. Exactly, it's like Raja says it the best, you know. Weeks don't lie and candles tell stories. So for each one of us, the candles make a different story, you know. Everyone is gonna read the same book, but everyone is gonna
to
take
interpret it
different interpretations out of messages, you know. So that's the magical thing, that we can come back and discuss in a meeting, like, oh, I read this book, oh, I read it too, and I understood this, oh, this I understood that way, and then we discussing it. And that's the beautiful thing about trading as well. It's like reading a book and trying to tell the story. And it's crazy that sometimes you might tell a completely different story, but both of you are right. Like for me and Ed, at some point I took a sell, he took a buy, and we both won. Honestly, like the top targets for both. Like completely different story understanding, completely different trading, profitable P&Ls.
Yeah.
And it was crazy because it was at the same candle. At the same candlestick it happened.
How was it?
Like
How did it play
I
out?
got inside.
If you remember.
Huh?
How did it play out?
It played out because I was on a sell. It went down. I tapped my target.
Ah, yeah, it's like a back runner, right?
You like the bottom wick? So
Yeah.
you said I'm gonna have buy stops, and then you got activated, and you got the buys.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, PM, if this 15 looks good for you, man, take it. Don't let me hold you back. For me, personally, I'll wait. But if you're back testing, you know, it looks good, take that.
Also, Malaka, you manage the trades different, so you might go faster break even than PM or something different,
like-
which might change the result, you know.
I trade like a little bit different from anyone else. Like we all have our little own
Yeah, I think everyone.
like
different.
confluence. Like for me, I don't like trading during this 15-minute here at the 8:45. For PM, maybe he wouldn't care about that time, and it looks good for him, right? So it's all about.
It's like Malaka, me and you. Like for you, Mondays are the worst. For me, Mondays are the most profitable days.
Exactly.
It's, you know.
And yeah, that could also be another reason I'm being more conservative, is because it's a Monday. You know what I mean? The first day of the week. I'm only gonna take anything that looks really good here on a Monday. If I see something that's okay, I'm just gonna stay out of it.
PM says that he's gonna take it. It's 15-minute closes use only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you guys call this a 15-minute close like an inverted celery, or how do you call it?
Yeah.
Is this a valid setup as well?
Yeah, inverted celery. Like, I mean, if this 30-minute close is inverted celery, that wouldn't be bad either.
But what is inverted celery? Like a celery that shows that we're gonna go sells, but we know that we're gonna go buys.
So, inverted celery is like, if you look at my, or actually, let me go onto your Zoom. Can I draw on your chart?
Yeah, you can do whatever.
Okay.
You can even use my mice.
Yeah, I'll take a entry for you. Let's see here.
Oh, let me show you what is inverted celery. You see here, I'm gonna go 5 contracts.
So yeah, you see how this candle came down and then we closed above that support that you have, right?
Yep. Yep.
So we tapped into that support right here, but closed above it. So now if this candle that we're currently at closes bearish, but still above that support, and it's getting weaker, and we tap, like it has to tap the support again, right? So you see how we tapped, we even broke the previous lows, and we close weak bearish here. Now on the break of these highs, you would have a buy stop predicting that this candle comes down, right? Creates a bottom wick, and then it flips and breaks the highs and then continues up here. I can change the color real quick, like that. Boom.
So it's basically a seller that you take on based on the hard time frame bias, but against the short-term time frame trend, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So 30 minutes might look that wants to go down, but you know the 4 hour wants to go up. So it's basically you take the onion idea before the onion.
Exactly. It's like a pre-onion.
Yeah. Okay. Makes sense.
Like let's say it's 9:30 and we closed inverted celery. I'm not gonna wait 30 more minutes for this celery or for this onion to close now, because this is volume time, and if we
you
break
might miss
these
the opportunity.
highs,
Yeah.
we're gonna fill that range.
Yeah, it makes sense. So it's basically the onion idea. So as a setup, you consider it one with the onion, right?
Yeah, it's like a onion. It's the, you know how we have the celery for the breakout? This is the celery for the onion.
So you have 3 setups. It doesn't have 6. It has 3. It has the onion.
The breakout?
Which it adds the celery and the inverted celery in
And
each
then
one.
the fade.
And then the fade. So 3 moves.
Yeah. Like I would say breakout and fake outs are the same genre, you know?
Basically, what we said all this time is that the celery is the same with onion.
Yeah, the celery is a different type of onion. It's like pre-onion.
But Malaka, every time I'm in the shop, the celery looks different from the onion.
PM, you taking these 15-minute buys right here? You like them?
That was a very bad and cold joke, Malaka.
What did you say, Malak? I didn't understand it.
Every time I go to the supermarket, the celery looks different than the onion.
Malak. That's like a dad joke right there.
Yeah, very like an uncle joke. You know, you sent me an uncle before. I need to prove my place, my title.
Uncle Alex.
The uncle of trading ribs. You know, Raja had Uncle Ted.
And Nick had Uncle Scalp. We're gonna have Uncle Alex. Alright, we're
also
gonna
another trader, a female trader I've seen, Tori Trades, I'm pretty sure you guys seen it, she's very popular. She has also Uncle Mike inside, which is like her mentor. It's like crazy. Every trading community with an uncle
we need Uncle Alex, you know what I mean? Like we can't have the stream without Uncle Alex. How does it feel to be an uncle? Uncle stat.
Well, like but honestly, Malaga, time flies.
Yeah, right?
Time flies, bro. When I was 20, Malaga, and I said like 30, Malaga looked so far, and now I'm 30.
Yeah, it's crazy how fast for me from high school to now. Time went by like that, boom.
And especially for us that we are trading, so we're basically all day focused on a chart.
Yeah.
You lose track of time, it passes even faster.
Yeah, I feel like that too. Like 30-minute candle closures feel like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Exactly. Like you lose track of time. But like 2 years back, we had COVID, and it was 2 years back. If you said to me, bro, it was like 6 months back or a year back, I would believe you.
For me, COVID feels like a long time ago.
No, Malak.
But
Yeah,
COVID
that's
was
what I mean,
5
like
years ago, Malaka.
Yeah, but it looks like a much longer time than 5 years. That's what I'm trying to say.
It doesn't feel like 5 years, but it doesn't feel like 2. Maybe like 3.
And COVID ended like 2 years back, not 5.
No, yeah, it started 5 years ago.
Yeah.
But ended, yeah, not that long time ago. It might come back. Who knows? I might start it again.
I mean, for me, it makes no sense, man. Like, I'm on a quarantine every day in the week, so.
You're on a what?
It's closed for me. In Greece, we had a quarantine period, like a period that everything was shut down, so we couldn't exit our houses.
Ah.
Did you have this in the UK? In the UK, no. In Denmark?
No. Is it every year you have that?
No, bro. It was like due to the COVID. It was like
I was like, what? Nah, you could leave your house. You just could, like, everything was shut down, like gyms.
Same here. Like, you could leave your house with a paper that, okay, I have this reason for me to exit the house, but if police stops you in the road. So
oh, no, we didn't have that. You could leave whenever. Like, you could.
No, we need to ask for permission. Basically, we had a government app in our phones that we basically entered our details and it printed us a paper.
That's crazy. Now we could go out.
This was like a control of the population, man.
Yeah, it is. That's this is how you see like the power of the government right there.
And people here say that this was like power, like the government flexing on us. Like, oh, I can control you if I want to, you know?
Yeah, but the only way
the
government is able to control you is if everybody obliges to it. You know what I mean? Like, if no one was to follow, then what are they gonna do?
Hey, I mean, look at the example of China, bro. Like, you know,
look at North Korea, Malaka. That's how they live every day.
Bro, you go to like to pass a road, and if you don't pass it with a green light for the pedestrians, you get points. If you get a lot of points, you cannot exit your house.
Crazy.
And this is what they say about electrical powered vehicles, you know, like Teslas and stuff. That they can just turn it down, you know. They can just shut the server down. And you won't be able to turn on the car.
Like, I need to do some squats or something.
You do some pull-ups live, Malaka. You put me through a challenge on Friday. I need to challenge you today.
Okay, let's do an actual challenge where we both do it. We can do the most push-ups.
You do first one challenge that I'm gonna put you, and then we start a new challenge. We are gonna be both of us.
What should the challenge be?
PM says that the best confirmation is gonna be 1 hour closing inside the range, otherwise it will make an hour breakout for shells. Yeah, Malaka. Nice. Nice eye, Malaka there. Nice catch.
Yeah, Goldie, just don't leave.
Very nice cuts that PM said, Malaka. This is very nice cuts. Like, see the 1 hour? Even if this 30 closes back as support, it needs to close strong support because the 1 hour might be a breakout for shells.
Yeah, close above this support right here. So like we close above that, and there's some right there, and it's not looking bad.
Yeah, you want to close above 39.57. Okay, so Ed, the challenge now is for you to do. You have a pull-up bar.
No, I don't.
Okay, so do 5 one-hand push-ups.
5 one-hand push-ups?
Yeah, like how much can you do actually?
I don't know. I've never done one-hand push-ups.
Okay, try to do 2.
Okay, wait. Can you show me a video of how it should be done so I know what to do?
You look my stream.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay, let's put on a video. Malaka, you haven't attempted one-hand push-ups.
Because there's different ways of doing it.
I'm sure you have done it. Like.
So show me which way I should do it.
King, here's a hack if you want to learn how to do a single arm push-up. The single arm push-up is a lot easier once you know this one trick. It's all about balance. So what you need to do is put your hand behind your back, spread your legs. This helps with the balance, and try to focus all your weight into that one arm.
Okay,
King,
so you want me to do
hack
that?
if you want to learn how to do a
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
I think you can do it because you have a powerful hand, so you're gonna have balance.
I did chest day yesterday, but that's no excuse.
You have been challenged, Malaka. There's no excuse.
Let me take my webcam. Let's see if I can.
Let me turn on the webcam and zoom to watch it.
See where is it? Oh my.
You don't have a webcam in Zoom. Try to speak.
Hello, hello?
Yeah, you don't have a webcam. Why? Doesn't play on Zoom.
I have it on my stream.
Yeah, I've seen your stream, but I don't
can't put it on both.
Gold Malaka is not gonna wait for you guys.
Okay.
Or maybe it is. Should I put the rocket? Let me put a rocket, Malaka. And let make Gold wait for you.
Is it clear?
Yep.
Let's see.
This guy is doing one-hand push-ups with his shirt on. Oh, you're done. Malaka, you're doing it very clean.
Malaka, easy. 6.
This guy's probably making like okay, do it with no hands now, Malaka. I don't know.
Put this back up.
You felt it was easy?
Yeah, it was pretty easy. I thought it was gonna be harder.
You can do one arm pull-up also.
No. Not yet.
But you can like hang with one arm, right? I've seen you doing that.
Yeah, I can hang with one hand.
And I've seen some other guys that they're doing like push-ups with like 1 or 2 fingers or 3 fingers. Have you seen them?
There we go.
So we need to come up with a challenge now to start with the channel. All the tribes should start a challenge. Like
The
50
tribal
pull-ups a
challenges.
day.
If you fail,
Yeah,
you get
let's see.
executed.
If you fail, you basically donate all your accounts to the tribe.
We take all your account information. Yeah, Goldie's gone here. Look at that.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, if it pulls back for you, you like it, but I don't know. It's gonna leave a nice weekend.
Yeah, if we come back down to like 39.58. But right now it's too far already. This is like my full TP area, like right up here. We're like a couple pips away from full TP. So nothing.
Yeah, this thing is pumping right now. Let me delete this.
This 1 hour might close
it's
bullish.
weird. I don't think it might close bullish. I think it will go close bullish.
Look at this. Look at the reaction we are getting off this 1 hour support. Tap, tap, tap. All of them are struggling to close below.
Yeah, it's like this support is holding a lot, Malaga. Let's go see that support on the. Like we have no range right now. What am I looking at? So basically, this tells me that bars are holding this support, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we either gonna see a pump or a range market today.
Probably rangy, I think. And then,
It's
yeah,
possible that we
PM.
can see like a barcode strategy of this range.
PM is
also
probably
possible.
gonna call it a day here. That'd be
Yeah,
a
makes
plan.
sense with this closure.
Yeah, I mean, he's already taken two W's here today, so
Yeah, makes total sense.
no point in risking on like choppy price action. You know, this is another important thing. Is like, if you don't see price action that you want to see, you should just, you know, not even try to participate in any of it. Like today, if I don't see what I'm predicting, then I'm not gonna take it.
Yeah, but W on calling the idea because if this 15 gave you the setup, you would be in. You know,
Yeah.
so it was like an entry thing.
But we're pulling back now. Maybe, I don't know. I was like, it's a little bit too big here.
Like it's,
Okay.
from one hand, it's gonna be nice because you're gonna have a weak fill with high volume.
Yeah, it all depends on how this new candle opens up. If we come down for the bottom wick first, I actually won't mind the buys. 30 pip advance, like this would probably be where I would go break even at the wick fill. Full TP would be there, but it all depends on how this next candle opens and if we do close it in this area here. Won't be bad. Yeah, PM, see you tomorrow. Take care.
See you, PM. Have a great day, brother. Enjoy and see you for London or quite tomorrow.
Let's see, 1 minute
Lovely
left.
plan
We might
also,
not
you know.
close that bad after all.
Gold is crazy, man. Like it's changing the plans in like seconds.
Alright, like if we close above this, it's looking pretty decent right here. But if we close below, just gonna have to wait. So I need the 1 hour to close above the support. If we close below the support, I'm gonna just wait. Cause then that could be, you know, a chance for gold to maybe move down. So not taking that chance. Let's
20
go
seconds.
Goldie. 17 seconds. Oh, it closed like right out of
Yes.
it.
Yeah, 1 hour close exactly at support. It's not looking bad. It's like the bottom wick.
Yeah, if we get a nice bottom wick here, might not be that bad.
So this is basically the 30 onion, bro.
Yeah, pretty much. We closed above the support. But we need that bottom wick first, because probably we could come up here now and then break those lows.
Look at that, bro. Look at that.
Getting a little bit too steep, this top wick. Like, what is this? Look at that. 30 pip top wick already. But we're gonna go do what Go wants to do.
Yeah, flow with the market, bro. We don't react to price, we're just flowing with price.
We follow price, and that's it. Price will do what it wants to do, and we can't control that. All we can control is when we get in with the price. So if you don't like what price is doing, don't get in with it. Oh yeah, Malaka, I had a dream where my video hit 2,000 views on the stream.
That's not a dream, that's a manifest.
For real. And then I was trying to tell you that I hit 2,000 views in my dream, Malaka. It was crazy.
What else to tell me?
No, I woke up.
I woke up and I saw them do it on it. Like, but bro,
I woke up and then I looked at my account and it had 1 view.
You know, if we keep consistency and because we are original, we are transparent the way we trade it, it's inevitable to happen.
And I would say, without a doubt, we're the best streamers in the world.
That's the attitude right there.
We're better than Raja, we're better than Nick, we're better than... If you watch our stream, you'll get the most value.
He's declaring publicly now that he's the best trader of all time. So Malaka, you just need the time to prove it now.
Yeah. If you don't believe that you're the best, who will, you know?
Yeah, like believe that you're gonna be the best, but stay at your own lane. Like don't compare to Raj or Nick, you know, because at their lane they are successful. So we need to be ahead of us.
Be ahead of the competition.
So how much you made in this payout? $1,000.
Yep.
Don't come back on next payout and say I'm gonna take a payout of 500. You need at least 1.5 now.
Huh?
In the next payout, you need to take away 1.5. Please.
Oh, Malaka, trust me, next payout is gonna be way bigger.
Exactly. That's like how you grow, right?
Of course.
There's no reason for you to take a payout now of 500. You know. It's like Raja, bro. Like he said it all the time. Like every basically barrier that you put in your life is a mental barrier. So for us that we make $1,000 per payout, like $10,000 looks like a lot. But when you reach the 10K per month barrier, that barrier now is gone. So what's the next barrier? The 20Ks. And the next barrier and the next. So then it's like Monopoly, right? Money becomes a game.
And we're just gonna be clearing them all.
Actual money, it's like Monopoly.
We're gonna break out through those barriers. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spend that money into assets. We're not gonna hold that money, because if we just hold that money will decrease. You wanna spend it in assets that will accumulate profit over time.
Of course.
And that can be anything, like not anything, but it can be a bunch of things. It is not just investing it into Bitcoin or S&P, even though those two options are wonderful options to increase your value.
Yeah, much more, bro.
You can invest it into your business, into workers, into all of this stuff.
I think the best thing to do is to diversify. So put a little bit in Bitcoin, a little bit in S&P, a little bit in real estate, a little bit in your business, a little bit there, you know.
A little bit here, a little bit there. You don't want all your eggs in one basket. And that's the same with your work. Like, you don't just want trading to be your main income. Trading for me, and I think also for Alex, is just a gateway. It's we take that income and we put it into to grow other businesses. That's how I'm looking at it, at least. I'm not gonna look at trading as my only income.
For me, it's a pass. I don't see it like as a job. For me, trading is like a sport. So I'm not gonna stop trading any point of my life because I enjoy trading. But I'm gonna use the money from trading to scale up other business for sure.
Exactly.
But
yeah, trading is something
like
I'm always gonna do.
I love it. I like my time in the church, you know. Like I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not something that I do because I need to make money from. I do it because I like it. So imagine being like a multi-millionaire and just having a 100K personal trading account and that's trading it and scaling it up because you have money to scale up. And also you have passive income from other businesses, you know.
Exactly. Trading is more of
Basically, you are a retired trader, but like you can travel, and when I see a setup, you can be a swing trader. And you can take 2 trades per month.
And the other thing is that your other sources of business probably won't be giving you as good of an ROI as trading is. For example,
for sure. But trading, it's more stable, right?
Yeah, it's more stable. It's more stable, less risk, but way more stable, right?
And also a very like safe investment for like to do, but it's for another league, like it's later on life. It's real estate, you know. It's like the return is not as huge as trading, but you know, long run is gonna scale up, and also you make passive income from renting properties, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a way for you to be okay. Like imagine the day in your future that you're gonna make like $50,000 per month passively.
Yep.
You know that even if I don't work this month, 50K is gonna come in.
Exactly. That's the beauty of it. You know what I mean? And that's what you want. That's what everybody should aim for. Having a passive income. But the thing is, a passive income doesn't mean that you can just go and dilly-dally around. Like, you need to put in that work in the beginning.
Of course not.
But once you put in that work
to grind to that.
Exactly. Once you put in that grind, that work, put in the hours of studying and figuring out what to do and starting to do it, you know what I mean? That's when you're gonna start to see it pay off. And the beauty of it is, from what I've noticed, is that you always start with looking at the end goal, right? You're always like, this is what's gonna happen at the end, right? When you reach that point. But once you get into that process, you actually learn how enjoyable that process becomes and how fun it is to educate yourself, to learn these new things. You get more wise about stuff that you never knew before. And it's like, it's mind-blowing about all of these things that people didn't know, that once they actually take it in their own hands to learn it themselves, they can achieve some very cool things. And it just adds on to that fact that whatever you can imagine, you can achieve. You know what I mean? Like, if I want to be a millionaire, a billionaire, I can achieve that by putting in enough work, time, and dedication.
Yeah, of course. But Malaka, have you read Greek mythology?
Have I read what?
Greek mythology.
No.
Okay, so basically in the ancient Greeks, we had mythologists, right?
Yeah.
Basically, they used to be like
Zeus.
Book writers. Yeah, exactly, mythology.
Yeah.
So there's a story there of Odysseus, which he's trying to find a way to an island called Ithaca. And this is a lesson from Homeros, the writer, the mythology. So basically the lesson there is like, Odysseus had the target which was the height of the island. So he had the target, but he never reached there. He never reached this target, but he reached many other targets trying to reach this one target.
Yeah. I know what you're going.
So
with.
from the journey, the lesson of the journey is that you need to enjoy the journey, because if you don't enjoy your journey, you are not gonna reach anywhere.
Exactly.
But if you enjoy your journey, you might not reach your final destination, but you're gonna reach in 20 more destinations in between, which you might align and you might prefer than the final one, because when you started, you didn't know basically. You had a goal, but you didn't know what to expect. It's the same with trading. You know, you might start trading 4 years back with a goal of making $100. Now your goal is making 5K. You know, you find smaller destinations into the larger ones. If that makes sense.
Another thing as well.
It's basically very important to enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
When you do that.
Another thing I can take away from that story as well is that you want to not limit your goals. Like, you want to aim as high as possible. Like, you want the only limitation to be your imagination. And in that way, it's like, if I aim for the stars, but I land on the moon, I still made it way further than if I would have aimed just for the moon. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
Because if you aim for the moon, you might not make it to the moon. You might make it below the moon. But if you aim for the stars, it's way easier to get to the moon, because the moon is just another stepping stone to get to the stars. So that's why you can't limit your goals. Because if you say, my goal is to make $1,000 this year, then, you know what I mean, your goal is so little compared to if you say, I'm gonna make $10,000 this year. $1,000 is just gonna go by like that, easily, like without even thinking about it. So your limitation is in your brain.
That's why you don't need, like, for me, I'm not in favor of you putting like this type of goals, like, okay, Malaka, I'm gonna make 10K in like 6 months from trading. No, because it's like a goal that you have in your mind, but the market might not give it. You need to have more quality goals, like, I'm gonna become a better, like, I'm gonna increase my win rate by 5%. I'm gonna take only the A+. So I don't think money is a good goal to have.
Yeah, it was just an example, but yeah, I don't think.
I know.
Money goal, you shouldn't look at it as, especially in trading wise, you shouldn't look really or focus on the money.
If you focus on the money, you've lost all. Like, it's a fake thing. Like, you need to focus on the trade stuff, not on the money stuff. If you know you have like 15 trading days within a month, but you know you need to pay rent at the end of the month, so I need to make 2K now. If I don't make 2K, I'm not gonna be able to pay rent. The market might not give you an opportunity to make 2K, but it might give you the opportunity to make 1K. But because you are chasing the 2K, you might miss on the 1K as well. So, if that makes sense.
And it's also like if you're in a boxing match, for example. Your goal is to win over the other guy by knocking him out, whatever. But your main goal in that moment is not knock out immediately. It's doing these punches that will get him to be able to get knocked out. Because you know you're not just going to hit him once and then he's out. You're going to accumulation of these punches, which is going to wear him down. And then you'll be able to knock him out or submission, stuff like that. So that's what trading as well. The money you're gonna get from the accumulation of being disciplined to the plan and taking disciplined trades. So when you take these trades, you shouldn't be focusing on the money, you should be focusing on, am I following my plan? And then the money will come after, the same as the knockout will come once you've done enough of the accumulated hits.
Exactly, it's like boxing, you said. If you start boxing now, you cannot have the goal of becoming the best boxer in the world. You have the goal of becoming best boxer as an amateur. So like small targets. And not like, I'm gonna win 3 championships, or I need to make 10K. No, I just need to make enough money to just become free and be able to live out of trading. You know, if that's 3K or 5K or 10K, only God will know. Only the market will tell you.
But you shouldn't even worry about the money. Like the money wise,
exactly.
You shouldn't even.
The only money I think you should be concerned is the money that you spend. This is the only money you should be concerned with because you can control the amount you spend. So if you have limited your expenses at like the maximum you can, then you don't need to worry about the money because even if you lower your expenses the maximum you can, you don't have a lot of expenses to worry about. So you don't need a lot of money to live with, first of all. You just need food and house. You don't need anything else. Most people are spending their money in clothes, phones, tech, drinks, food, you know. So most people are spending the money and they're not investing the money. So the thing is that even for yourself, you need to invest the money. So like I'm gonna rent a house because that's an investment. I'm gonna buy a PC because that's an investment. Sense.
Yeah. Or cigarettes.
Anything, yeah, anything. And this fits with the previous thing I said to you because I'm smoking, you know. It goes with the cigarettes as well. It goes with everything, you know. Like for me, if I quit smoking, which I'm gonna do, I save up 300 euros per month. This might not be a lot of money, but it's not money that I had yesterday, you know. So it's more than yesterday. So I'm fine with it. It's like everything is about perspective.
Let's see, Malaka. We have 13 minutes for the 30-minute candle closure here.
Yeah, for me, I'm waiting this candle to close resistance and the next candle to break above to take some buys because I like the buys who have clean range up to that resistance of 39.67.
6-7?
6-7. And this thing is funny because it's 39.67.7.
Malaka. 677.
677.
Well, let's see here. Maybe this is gonna be like a kind of like a, I don't know, like a celery kind of thing here going on.
On the 30.
Yeah. Like we closed above here, and then if we close like that, it could be kind of like a celery play in the works. Whew.
So celery plays not only on breakouts.
Do you have any recommendation for food I should eat once I get my tooth removed? Like liquid?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Like a lot of like soft foods, like mashed potatoes, mashed peas, soups, like a pumpkin soup, but not spicy, you know, because you're gonna have like it's not gonna be good for the wound. So this kind of stuff.
Let's see. Scrambled eggs counts. Hummus, yogurt,
Yogurt.
applesauce, smoothies. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of good food here. Even salmon.
Yeah, you need soft. Like for example, a steak is hard to bite, right?
Yeah.
But salmon is very soft to bite, so it melts in the mouth.
Yeah.
You know, that kind of stuff.
Mashed pumpkin. Yeah. I'm gonna be eating all of that, chat. But I can't eat anything after the extraction for that day. So
yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
After 9, Malaka, there's no food for me.
Yeah, you're gonna get infected probably. That's why.
Yeah, maybe that. Yeah.
You have an open wound.
I'm gonna ask them what. You know what I really want to do is get both my wisdom teeth removed just to get it over with. But do you think they will do that? Because I'm only there for one.
Like when I asked for mine here, they told me that we don't advise you removing both of them at once because it might, you know, you might remove it at once. So yeah, it looks like better, but the pain and the swollenness of the head is so much that we don't advise it. Like, you know.
Malaka, I'm a different breed.
Because then you're gonna be swollen from both right and left side. You know, it's gonna be like.
That's fine.
You're gonna be like a Playmobil, man, like if you come on stream. Have you seen Playmobils that they have like very large
bodies?
Yeah, you're gonna be like that.
Malaka. But I think the pain side of it, I think I'll be able to handle.
It's not. I don't think it's a pain. It's like a nerve numbness, basically. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like a pain that you might feel if I punch you. It's like a itchiness, like inside the tooth. I don't know how to explain it. For me, it's not as painful. It's more goosebumps, if that makes sense. Never mind, Malaka. You get it removed and you're gonna be fine.
Yeah.
This 30 is not gonna close resistance.
Nope, probably not. 9 minutes to 30 closure. 9
But
minutos.
it's not listening to it. 9 minutes for the closure. If we close bearish, I'm gonna wait for a break above. If we don't close bearish, we don't close bearish. We're gonna sit for 30. NYC opening in 10 minutes also. 9 minutes. What do you think, Ed? Where price will go?
Up. Up, up, up.
You think we're going up?
If we can close like this on a 15, I'm down to take some buys in 8 minutes. But if we close below,
like a celery.
Who will know?
The below for you is that resistance to the left, I see, from the previous range.
Yeah, this one. This is the 1 hour support. That's why I have it.
Yeah.
But look, if we close support on this one, like if we don't move at all, if we just stay chopping on the lower time frame, but the 1 hour closes just like this, oh Malaka, it's looking money to come up again. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. 4 hour has 38 minutes left. And we might close bearish, but we could definitely in these at 9:30 especially come all the way up, break the highs, and continue pumping.
Yeah, and if
No
it goes
doubt
like
about
that,
it.
it's not a strong bearish, bro. It's like a.
And the other
Like, I
thing
don't
is, the
It's
4 hour
like
did
I
not
said-
break the previous highs, so it could easily still do that, you know? It would have been different if it already broke the previous highs.
Like for me, the sells would make total sense below that resistance, which I have sells below here, 39.46.
Yeah.
Which is gonna mean that we're gonna come up, make a new 4 hour top hook, and then we're gonna bleed after breaking these lows, which are also the 4 hour lows. But I don't see a lot of volume.
Nah,
Not
yeah,
much
it's a
happening.
little bit choppy.
Not much happening in the chart today.
A little chop fish ain't hurt no one. Chop cheese.
This is the chance where you train your discipline muscle, but like I'm not taking trades.
Yeah, Malaka, right when you say that, I'm gonna take a bite right now.
Just full FOMO in.
Order
Full
fill. I'm
margin,
gonna
bro.
risk my whole account. Order fill.
Okay, close and profit.
Oh, Malaka, I made 10k. Let's go.
Close with 1 pip in profit. Thank you. Oh,
Let's see if I got any reply from anything important. Nothing.
the top one.
No, not just top one, also my bank. Because I'm trying to. The thing is that I want to take out. Because I'm taking out the money into Wise. But then when I get the money into Wise, I want to transfer it to a different card. So I have 2 different cards, one for my business, one for my personal.
So why do you do it like that if you don't just withdraw it in the bank account of the business?
Okay, they replied to me, the bank here. Let's see.
You can't use Wise as your business card.
I already made a business card in Wise.
Yeah, you can't use that. So in
I
order
mean, I
for
can. But, yeah, I don't know.
because that way you are gonna be able to just use Wise to spend the money.
You think that'll be better? It's because I don't know too much about Wise, you know what I mean?
From what I've heard and researched about, is like Revolut, but for it's
Do you
more
have a
popular in
card?
the US. Yeah, they have a card. Like I have a digital card.
Ah,
but
free. Yeah.
I can also like order a paid one, which is like a physical card.
Yeah, okay.
So it's the same
I'll
with
make a
Revolut.
digital card. What color should we have, chat? We got green, blue, red, purple, yellow.
For the card.
Yeah, I think we go for blue, right? To match the vibe of our background.
Wait, let me see. You have it on stream.
I already chose.
I have it in green, I think.
Yeah, that's the default one.
But I don't remember it. Let me change the card color. But it's a nice app. I like it more than Revolut, to be fair.
Yeah. Well, I pressed X and I don't know what to do. Let me close that. But the only thing is I like to have it on a bank that's in Denmark to make it. Ah, here we go. Now I have my card.
I have money to Wise and I forgot about it. So my card is blue. It's blue and green, my card.
Yeah, mine too. I think we have the same then.
And you can change that. Edit card. Ah, you can change it.
Oh, okay.
No, this is... I just think Wise is more popular in the US.
I think Wise is nice to have. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
The app is nice, right?
Yeah.
It's like very minimal and like all that you need is in one page. Like it's very easy to navigate through.
Perfect, and you get everything there. It's pretty nice.
So you can, like the way I'm treating Wise is I have it only for payouts. So all the money there, I know it's from trading. You know, like, so you can use it like that. Then it's nice because you can go and pay also like that.
So I don't need a new card on my stuff. And can I just
can go and put this card as your business.
So I can pay with that card with top one accounts or top step accounts as well.
Exactly, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that then, because that was the whole reason why I was setting up the trying to get a new card on my bank was to do that. But now that I don't need to do that, I don't.
But I don't know, like I wouldn't trust in Wise, like in Revolut and Wise. I'm not trusting a lot of money. Like if I have, like, let's say, theoretically 20,000, I would not leave it into Wise, you know, just in case. Or I wouldn't leave 20k in Revolut just in case. Let's see, 1 minute for this, 1 minute 30 seconds for this closure. Let's see, we might lose distance. This candle is playing around here.
We might get
but
that
it's looking
closure.
Good for buys if you close celery.
Yeah, if we close above here, I won't mind these buys.
Yeah, for me, I'm just waiting for this bearish closure. Then,
you know, it'd be nice we get the bearish closure, but above the range, so we get both.
Yeah, because I don't care about where I get it, right?
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
So if we close resistance, I expect next candle coming down, making a bottom wick, and then pumping up, closing above that resistance that we're gonna close.
Pump it.
But like I didn't know that the drawing in Zoom is so hard.
I think it's fun.
Yeah, it is fun, but I haven't got used to it, and I'm doing mistakes when my candles look like
yeah, it's a little bit of practice, but you know, as long as people get the core principle, it's fine.
So this is the plan, basically. It helps you basically build the plan very easily. I like it.
Boom.
Exactly, yeah, see?
There you go. Juicer.
This juicer is what I expected. This breakout. Let's see though. Half time. We closed bearish. I like it. We closed resistance. So we can put a line now. Say okay, buys above that resistance, you know. So now this line is gonna come down and become this resistance, because I know if we close above that resistance now, I'm gonna look for buys to target this range up to here. So we have clean range up to there, and this is where I'm gonna target.
I'm thinking, but I think I will take a very low risk here. Yeah.
So put in the juicer in the chat, guys. Put in the juicer, put in the rockets, Malaka.
Oh, wait, let me go to the MGC.
Juicer and rockets are coming. Yeah, if we break those highs, that weak fill to the left, and this weak to the left looks money.
There we go. Let's see. Like, especially after tapping into these zones here. But how big are the stops?
This breakout here also, for me, the sells don't look bad.
You like those?
Line here. It's not the best, but it doesn't look bad. Like it's not the best.
Yeah.
To be fair. Like I prefer buys more. Also at the last 28 minutes of the candle, you know, like.
I would say what's good with this trade is that right now it looks like the 1 hour is trying to fill the wick, and if the 1 hour fails to fill the wick now after breaking the lows and comes back up, the chances are pretty high at 9:30 that we're gonna continue this move up.
Yeah, for sure. Like these buys, even to me that I'm not trading like that, it's like it smells money, bro. Like it makes total sense after breaking these highs. And also we are at the last 20 minutes of the 4 hours, so if you see a pullback, it's gonna be now. To leave the bottom with.
Yeah.
It aligns with time.
Especially with the 4 hour and
It
1
aligns,
hour.
It aligns a lot.
They're at the end of their time. So if we don't get activated, no harm in it. And if we do, let's get it. So
How much are you risking?
I'm risking like 300, 350.
For normal risk.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Because the stops are decent size. Just doing a normal risk on the MGC here, 5 micros.
Like these are the moves that I'm sample sizing, you know, because there are some moves that I can read pretty well, but I'm losing, I'm not taking them. So this is why I try to read the market even if I don't trade it. Because you get to understand moves. It might play out. Give me a sec.
Let's see, I would like for an aggressive push up, like an aggressive flip on this 30. Like a high volume spike, potentially.
Like up.
Boom up.
Weak. Like the trade we had on the last week.
But if we continue pushing down here, I'm gonna have to delete. But let's see.
The first 5 minutes though, the candle.
Yeah, I know, but if we break these lows, stops are gonna get a little bit too big.
For me, if we get a breakout on the upside now, it's gonna be 860 pip stops.
Yeah.
That's a quick 1-to-1 there.
I'm gonna delete those
stops.
stopperoons.
48 for sells. I like it. I like it.
Now we're creeping to close below here.
Yeah, I like the cells also. It's a 1-to-1, a clean 1-to-1. The only reason it's not the best is because this week top targets like 90% of them at least. So
Yeah.
this is the only reason I'm cautious on the cells, but these cells below that support looks clean. If we get it though, we might see a bleeder like 430 now NYC opening. But
I'm gonna see if I have any food. I'll be right back.
it's crazy that the good Dennis type future in the chat and it never appeared. It's like the bot is lagging. Or did you use any space? This is mine. But either breakout is gonna look clean now. We'll have like price swap the best way we could at a high volume time. If we see a breakout, you know, like things
It's
are
gonna
looking
look
good
nice.
for both buys and sells.
There's no food in the
Because
refrigerator.
for sales, we understand that the 4 hour, if this 30 closes below, the 4 hours gonna close bearish. So we know we have the bearish momentum. So if we see a quick dump down, we can easily catch a 1-to-1, and for buys it makes total sense because even if we close bearish on the 4 hour, probabilities are for the next time to come up to make a top wick first. So this is basically the top wick that we're gonna take the advantage.
Let's see this move here. Let's see if it plays out.
The volume is there for sure though. Look at that.
Yeah.
Like there is volume. There is volume and there is like good range now. Like I like this range with a high volume time.
Right here's entry. So
Like
let's
our-
see here, 40 pips, break even point. Let's see how this trade would play out.
It will be that clean, bro. Like,
That would be
nice.
break even here. Holy, look at that.
Oh, that's clean, bro. Like what they read though, huh?
Yeah, look at that.
What they read on the market. Clean.
And full TP, I would have it up here. Probably. This would probably be a good partials area where it's at. But look at that. Money. But yeah, I wasn't gonna take this. I prefer to stay out.
Now it's your Jomo time
Time to just watch it play out.
and enjoy it also.
Enjoy. Because as fast as you can get in profits, you can as fast get stopped out with this volume right here.
But this breakout to the upside, if we close above nicely, 20 minutes, if we hold it, oof, that looks money with all this rejection from the downside after breaking the lows also. At a high volume time, can't ask for something better. And this is how a no trading day might become your best trading day in the world.
Yeah.
Like it's all a matter of one candle closure.
I'm gonna make a quick phone call real quick.
Okay, businessman. He's gonna call his lawyer. Let's see if we're gonna hold it or we're gonna pump. But what a read. I really like when we read the market, like even if you don't get an entry, because I like trading, so I like to be able to read even the moves I don't take. Also, this helps you become a better trader as well by understanding price action and understanding more of it every time you sit on the chart. But let's see here. Did anyone catch anything? Like Dennis, or if we have not, Dennis not here.
Malacas, Malacaruno, Malacachino. Should I make some egg? I'm not
You
seeing
call your
anything.
lawyer.
Huh?
You call your lawyer.
Yeah, I call my lawyer because I'm hungry for these pips. And I want to see if it's legal to get them all.
It's like Pokemon, you need to catch them all.
We gotta catch every single pip in the market. Every bullish and bearish pip.
What a pump though, bro. What a juicer.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that right there.
This is like a candle you want to be in.
62 pip move. Not bad.
Straight take profit also, no drawdown, right? You go activate. No
Yeah,
nothing.
no drawdown, just straight boom, straight juicer. I'd have probably been out by now because of this.
Yeah,
like
makes sense.
it's slowing down the volume to the upside. So I had taken full TP there, but it can still easily come up. Like if you're holding and you're in, I would just say hold for all-time highs, bro. It's like this 4-hour flips, we break the previous 4-hour highs. There's nothing holding it back.
And all that at the end of the 4-hour candle. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy, huh?
And that's what we're talking about. There's still time, you know, it can still flip, and it did it.
Yeah, of course. Everything is bullish. A bit overextended, but everything is super bullish. Daily also is super bullish, like no bottom wick, but imagine we break all-time highs now and we still break onto the upside. Like it's gonna be like, look at that.
Look at that. That's a signal for me to go make some eggs.
Yeah, it's gonna be 176 pips. The stop loss.
I'm gonna make some eggs. Should I join on my phone so I can still speak?
Yeah, show us your eggs, man.
Okay. Let me go to join on the phone. My stream won't be able to hear me though. Or can I do it somehow to where they can? I don't know.
I think you need to have your phone as a browser source in OBS to be able to stream your phone sound. Otherwise, I'm not sure.
Nah, I'll just leave it. Okay, Discord. Go to the Malacca soon. Okay, I'm joining the Zoom.
You made it to work in your face. Oh. You're looping.
Yeah, I gotta leave the room. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah. But you were
Where's
looking
my...
hard.
Boom. It's time to do some cooking.
Let's go. We might get this breakout to the upside. This is not a trade I would take. That's like it's not 4 candles in a row, but that's what you overextended, and it's 200 pip stops. Like it's crazy the risk. I might only take it like in top one.
Full margin on top
more,
one.
It's more a freedom account, like not with real money. Of course, it could play out though, but Look at that. This thing is pumping even more.
Let me see. Crazy. We're about to break all-time highs here.
Yeah. We're very close.
All-time highs. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again.
Here we go again.
Like I have a big squash right here. What can I do? What if I just put a bunch of vegetables and just start putting them in the oven? A little vegetable roast. And then I'll eat it with some egg or something.
You can put like potatoes and
I don't have potatoes. I have like random vegetables like onion, carrot, green onion, zucchini. Like really random.
zucchini is nice, nice for baked too.
Yeah.
I like it.
Zucchini fries.
You can make some tzatziki also.
Let's see here. Where is the pan?
Crazy volume, crazy volume. But a slow session.
Oh. What do you think would happen if I put all the vegetables in and then I just crack eggs inside? Do you think it would make like a omelet?
Yeah, and bake it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a recipe here. It's like a baked omelette. It becomes like it becomes nice. But you
it
need
just cooks.
because the vegetables needs more time. And they have a lot of water.
Yeah.
Just bake them alone first. Roast them a bit for the water to get dissipated, and then add the eggs
Okay.
in order to dry them out a bit.
Yeah. Because you don't want the eggs to cook and then the vegetables aren't cooked yet.
Yeah, it's gonna be like very watery, and the vegetables are not gonna be cooked. But we have that in Greece, like baked omelette recipe. You can even search like recipes online.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure you have baked omelette as well. Like, I don't think it's Greek.
Not like a traditional food, but I mean, it's probably something people make. But more our traditional food is roasted pork.
But what I don't like in baked omelette is that it's a bit dry, the eggs.
It is?
Yeah, because if you like, you need to be very careful with how you make it. You can make it dry very easily.
Mm.
You need to be very precise with the time. It's like scrambled eggs, you know. Like if you leave it one more minute, it can become dry. But if
Yeah.
a minute before, it's like the best texture.
You probably want it to be on low heat, right?
Yeah,
You don't want to like burn them.
yeah. In order to control it and to cook it inside better, like have more time to be cooked inside. See this closure, we need like 10 minutes. It's gonna be interesting if we close them both. I wanna see. So what vegetables are you gonna put in?
I'll show you on the camera. It's like my parents bought some vegetable pack thing, and I just put them all in.
Non-stop pump on this candle. Now it's almost broke the highs again. Imagine you got activated and you hold that trade.
Yeah, man, like sometimes you get trades like that, but
How many
today's
people
just
do that? Like 120, 100 pips?
yeah, 100 plus definitely. If the candle just didn't break that low once, like if that candle just would have came up after creating that like 70 pip bottom wick, I would have held it, but it came down to create an even steeper one. I was like, it's starting to get a little bit too big, you know, the stops.
And imagine now PM comes by on the stream and be like, I got an effort right now at 100 pips.
I mean, it'll be lit. Because then
Yeah, because
more...
he talked about it as well.
Yeah, he was looking for the same buys
Yes.
as well. There we go. And then maybe some olive oil on top.
We officially broke also the previous highs. So we have 2 weeks left for all-time highs now to break.
Okay, Malaka.
And we have 7 minutes on this non-stop madness.
Can you see?
On Zoom.
Yeah, on Zoom.
Wait. Speak.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, I see.
You see it? The vegetable. The vegetable concoction. And now it's just time. Leave it in the oven.
I don't see it now though.
No, I turn off the camera.
Oh.
Because they're in the oven now. I'm not gonna go in the oven, Malaka.
No, man, like a time lapse the oven.
Put the phone in the oven and record it.
Time lapse it.
Also, I had duck yesterday. Oh,
Duck is amazing.
Malaka. That was so
I
good.
love duck. Crispy duck.
Oven
Wow.
roasted duck.
When did you have that
Very-
at the restaurant?
No, I bought it at a grocery store. They sold duck 1.5 kilo for 20 euro.
Like
Not bad.
cooked.
No, uncooked, but I put it in the oven.
Like a duck is very tasty. Like very, very tasty.
Very tasty, but also very fatty.
Yeah, but that's the reason it's tasty, you know, like it's like melts.
Mm-hmm.
But it has like a crispiness to it also. Like it's both worlds, you know. It's fatty, but it's also crispy.
Yeah, the fat gets crispy when you cook it.
Yeah, but it's not crisp when you eat it. It's soft, but it has a bit of like. I love
Yeah,
the
the meat is soft, but the skin is crispy.
Mm.
It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna leave this Zoom and I'll come back on my computer.
Okay. Let's see, like 5 more minutes also. 5 more minutes. If we don't get this closure up, I'm gonna wait for a closure above on the next candle, but I wanna see like a nice range for it, because that candle is a bit overextended now. So it all depends on how the next candle is gonna react.
Yo, what the hell? My
Also
headphones.
gonna be in here 4 hours, so I need to see a nice bottle of green form. I wanna see some conferences before I take the next vehicle.
Alright, put like a 30-minute timer here.
For the veggies.
Yeah. Malaka, we could potentially have like a range trade here.
Yeah, like a barcode, you can take cells,
Take some sells. Take some
take some
buys.
buys, then take some cells. 6, 7.
6, 7. I think it's time for some gaming here. What game should I play, Alex? I'll show you
Okay. Show me the library.
I'll show you the library. Let me change to the gaming setup right here. And then let's add a display capture.
You can stream it on Zoom, you know, and I can show you a game as well. I'll be ready for the closing.
You want me to stream the game on Zoom?
Yeah, put it on stream as well.
Okay.
You can stream it like if you go to share in Zoom, you go to advanced, and you choose specific window.
Okay. Let me first show you the Steam, so you can pick the game. You see the Steam?
In your stream it says looking for a game to capture.
Oh, not on the Zoom. On the Zoom.
Oh, the Zoom, wait.
Yeah. Once I pick a game, it will pop up on the stream.
If I stream, like I think I'm gonna stream now. Your stream. Yeah, see. Let me see my screen. Yeah, now I'm streaming your screen.
Oh, okay, you want me to stop it?
No, it's fine. Just wanted to understand how Zoom works. But still.
Yeah.
Okay, where's your library?
You see it? Do you see it?
Yeah, it's just that.
So we have For Honor. You can't really see it properly because it's from a different, it's not from Steam. But then we have Marvel. We have some other games here.
Can you play the new code? I wanna see.
You want me to download it?
Can you?
It might take some time though. It's like
Not a
200
lot.
gigabytes.
The beta.
Yeah. Because you have to download the whole Call of Duty app to get into the beta.
It's gonna take it's gonna take a few hours for it.
But there's Battlefield 6 coming October 10th. Looking pretty sick. But these are the games that I have right now here.
Oh, but the scandal might close above. Let's see. We need 2 minutes. Let's see your library now. Play. You don't have any like which games are your favorite? Sport games?
Okay,
Have
okay.
any
I like For Honor.
UFC?
I like Marvel. Smite is decent.
This Marvel Rivals is like a Taken.
What?
This Marvel Rivals.
Yeah?
Is it
You want me to play that?
Taken. Is it Taken? Basically. It's Marvel.
Is it Taken?
You know the game Taken.
Let me turn up my volume because my mic is a little bit low so I can hear you better. And let me turn down the music. Okay.
1 minute for the close. 1 minute.
Okay, what did you say?
This Marvel Rivals game is like Taken. You know the game Taken?
Ah, Tekken. No. It's like Overwatch, if you know that game.
Play it. I wanna see.
Okay.
Seems interesting.
You will see.
Let me see this closer in 20 seconds, but I'm gonna back to watch the game.
The game should
Let's
pop
see
up.
this breakout. 3 seconds, man, for this breakout, and we close the ball.
But are you gonna take that though?
No.
I mean, your TP is infinite because you're at all-time highs now.
Yeah, but the stops, bro.
Let's see. Let me try and see. Stops is 174 pips. At 174, I mean, it's possible.
I need price to reach 39.94, like 170 pips. Oh, it's pumping. I would be in by now. Let's see this trade. I would be in. Oh, it's pumping hard. Like, that's not a stop loss I feel comfortable with, no. Like 170 pips. How should I handle it though? Like, for one contract. Is it worth risking $174 for this move? I don't know.
What
Doesn't
do you
seem a good deal to me. I could take it from top one, but I chose not to. It's too much to stop. Let's put a. Let's trade like I would take it, and let's see if it play out.
Why is it not showing the game?
In Zoom,
On my stream.
this would be my trade, but let me write it for the viewers not to get confused. What should I write? Sample size.
Sample, yeah. I'm gonna end the stream here. For me, I'm gonna call it the session here. But
Come back to me.
Huh?
Come back to Zoom after.
I'm gonna stay in